Ladies and gentlemen, I want us to discuss something about the Raila's burial, state burial that is underway right now in Kisumu, and that has been happening for the last 2 days, and it's final. Will be ending tomorrow. One thing, when President William Ruto broke the news to Kenyans that Baba Raila Amolo Odinga has rested, he categorically said that Raila Odinga was a statesman and he deserved a state funeral. But in accordance to the military act or the military rules, Raila Odinga did not receive or will not receive full military honor in terms of how things happen. You know, in Kenya, there have been around 10 state funerals that have happened, two of which are former presidents, and two of which out of those 10 are also former vice president that died long ago. These include the vice president George Saitoti and Kijana Wamalwa, who died in 2002, particularly, I think so. And the recent one for Daniel Toroitich Arap Moi, the second president of the Republic of Kenya. And the third one was for third president of the Republic of Kenya, Mwai Emilio Kibaki. And now we have a state funeral for Raila Amolo Odinga, a father of democracy, as I can call him, and the enigma of politics, the Tinga. Call him all good names, but Baba has rest. I want to give you a good picture on why I'm saying so. If you took a closer look on the ball bearers of those Kenyan men in uniform who are now escorting the casket bearing the remains of Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, are of the major category in terms of ranking when it comes to military ranking. And in accordance to the Military Act, if a state officer dies, for particularly the president, the president who the people who are allowed to handle or even to stand beside the casket are the people of colonel rank, meaning those colonel people are higher one step in terms of ranking when you look at how major is. If you want to look at it, I want you to look at this video clearly, about Raila's body entering Kasarani yesterday, and look at their shirts or their coats that are wearing. You can just see the number of stars in their chest and even in their collars, and you can literally tell, if you are somebody who knows how military uniform look like, you can just literally tell these are majors ranking who are now the ball bearers of Raila Amolo Odinga casket. And particularly, I want to take you back to the former presidents, particularly the president Mwai Kibaki and Daniel Toroitich Arap Moi. It was fully state honor by military. You know, the president is the commander-in-chief of the defense forces. And when he gives a direction, the KDF in particular take that as a direct order. You know, in particular, when former president Daniel Toroitich Arap Moi died, his remains were taken to parliament buildings for viewing. Unfortunate, it didn't happen for Raila for the public to view it or the parliament building. President and other dignitaries and close family members were only allowed to enter the parliament buildings to pay their last respects. And during Moi's era, his remains were being laid at the parliament buildings. And if you could see the people who were guarding the casket, the men in uniform, the four men who were at the four corners of his casket or his lying podium, were the rank of colonel. And particularly for instance, this of Raila is for major. And one particular thing that people don't know so much about is that when you go to the headquarters of Kenya Defense Forces, better known as DOD, there are a number of people who have been blacklisted by Kenya Defense Forces for allegedly trying to take coup of government. And if your name is in that wall, then you are not allowed to enter DOD. At no particular point did even Raila went close to DOD, the headquarters of the Kenya Defense Forces. And in accordance to the military rule, somebody of that caliber, even though the state say that they want to give this guy a full military burial state ceremony, the military rules does not allow. Then Raila Odinga did not receive full military honor. You will not see further that the former presidents that have died, they have received 21 gun salute or 19 gun salute. And for particularly Raila Odinga's issue, Raila Odinga will not receive those guns issues. He will only receive the state funeral that has been happening underway now, but it is spearheaded by Kenya Defense Forces. And all along, those who are carrying the bell bearers are the rank of major. That is now the difference, ladies and gentlemen, that you will get, because I have heard people saying, oh, Raila amepewa full military state honor. No, Raila has not been given full military honor, because in Kenyan rules and in military rules entrusted the Kenya Military Act is that somebody of that caliber, like president, the ball bearers specifically should be the rank of colonel and above. But people like Raila and other dignitaries, even a very similar state burial that was held was that of the environmentalist who died, who won a Nobel Peace Prize. I'm forgetting the name. And also, if you look at the footages from the Kenya archives of the late Kijana Wamalwa, and you will realize that the rank of major were the casket ball bearers all along. Those guys are now allowed to take lighter duties of Kenyan civilians who have made impact, and the state have honored them with state funerals. That is one thing you should understand, that now the issues of Raila is not an issue of full state in terms of military. You know, I'm trying to elaborate so that you can understand that this is not a full state honor when it comes to military, but when it comes to the country, it is a full state honor in accordance to the direction that President William Ruto gave, that Raila Odinga is actually be honored for the contribution he has made to this country. And particularly I agree with that. But only that people are saying, oh, Raila atapewa 21 gun salute or 19 gun salute. Oh, Raila, people fail to understand those lines, that in military, there are lines that even those burials that are state funerals, but they are being handled by junior military personnel, like lieutenant, like brigadiers. Those are young people now in military, but they are wako na cheo, but in terms of ranking, hawa ni wasiwa either 1-star general or 2-star general, but people were allowed to handle the casket of a president as the ball bearers are men who have around 3-star general, the likes of now colonel, 2 steps or 1 step to become the CDF of this country. Now, and for instance, when a general dies, ladies and gentlemen, the people who also handle the casket as the ball bearers during his burial or the state burial, maybe you awarded, are the likes of colonel in that order, and also the retired CDF of major generals of both sides, either Kenya Defense, for Kenya Defense Forces, whether it's Kenya Navy, Kenya Air Force, or Kenya Army. During that burial ceremony, the last moments, they are given the opportunity to escort their fellow general officer who has fallen. And for Raila, we want to say, Raila, go well. See you when God's time comes.